Now, how do we come to know whether it is an acid or base? Naturally, there has to be some substance or something which can help us to identify, because both are corrosive in nature. What is the meaning of corrosive? Corrosive means they can damage the living tissue. If you know, if acid falls on a plant or animal or on your body also, it can cause burns. So, obviously, it is not right to taste acids, but then you will say, but we do eat natural acids. Those acids are very mild, but hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, these acids are very strong acids and very corrosive in nature. So, we have to use some other method than taste or touch, and the substances that help to identify an acid or a base are called indicators. So, indicators are the substances that help to identify acid and bases. The common examples of indicators are litmus paper or solution, turmeric solution, phenolphthalein, even the China rose is used for as indicator. Litmus solution, which is the commonest of the indicator, is extracted from lichen. You remember we studied about lichen? Lichen, it has both algae and fungi and they share a symbiotic relationship. The extract of lichen is purple or mauve in color. So, this is dissolved in distilled water and then it attains blue color or the red color. When the strips of paper are dipped in these solutions, because there are two types of solutions, blue and red, then they become blue litmus paper and red litmus paper. Now, what you can do is, you can take 3 test tubes, label them A, B and C. In one you can take acid, in another you can take base, and in the third you can take water. Of course, take dilute acid and base. You can take dilute hydrochloric acid, or to be on safer side, you can just take lime juice, or you can take vinegar, even tomato juice, they are all acidic in nature. And for base, you can take simple soap solution. You must have seen those ads where they want to show how much of alkali is there in soap, and they use litmus paper. For the ad of Dove, they use red litmus paper to show that other soaps have more base as compared to Dove, because base is rough on skin. So, what we do is, first we take blue litmus paper. When we take blue litmus paper, it turns red in acid, remains blue in base and blue in water. Then we take red litmus paper. When we take red litmus paper, it remains red in acid, it turns blue in base and it remains red in water. So, you can try this by taking simple things like lemon juice or orange juice or tomato juice or vinegar, and you can try it at home only. If you can't get litmus paper, never mind, you can use turmeric powder, that is always at home. Now, sometimes when we are eating and if a vegetable curry falls on our clothes and there is a stain of turmeric, the moment soap is put on it, it turns pink. Why? Because turmeric which is yellow in color, turns pink when base is applied to it. So, you can even make a greeting card. You can take some paper and dip it in turmeric solution, it will become yellow. Then with the help of soap, you can draw something and the part where your brush will move will be pink in color. How interesting. Third thing that you can use is China rose. Have you seen China rose? It's bright red colored flowers and it is also called hibiscus. You remove its petals and then put it in water and boil it. The water will become pink in color. You can remove the petals. This extract, when base is added to it, it turns green, and when acid is added to it, it turns magenta or dark pink. Similarly, phenolphthalein turns pink when base is added to it.